Hello everyone, today I'm about to show you how to create a DHL account. It is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First of all, go ahead into any browser you want and simply write Sign-up DHL and then basically go ahead and search it. Go ahead and click on the first link which says open an account, and then here you'll have to choose a country that you are currently in. I'm gonna go ahead and choose USA just to make it universal for all of you guys to know how to log in properly. So once you have done that, it will ask you if you're either making a personal account or a business account. I'm going to go ahead and click on personal. And once you have done that, you will have to buy DHL Plus account, as you can see. And in order to buy it, you'll have to click on ship now with a credit card, and you will basically have to enter your credit card information. And then once you have done that, you can simply create a username and a password, and then you can start shipping with DHL. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.